right now, viewers. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, speaking to Republic, said that Pan-India terror network busted by Jammu and Kashmir police. He also said that multiple terror attacks in the country were foiled. So this is what we see right now. It's a big statement coming in from the Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, who's speaking specifically about the Pan-India terror network. Let's go and play out that statement.
मित्रों, 14 तारीख की रात को श्रीनगर के नौगांव पुलिस स्टेशन में एक दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना घटित हुई। एसएफएल की टीम दिल्ली के लाल किले के पास हुए आतंकी हमले में शामिल आतंकवादी और उनके सहयोगी आतंकियों के घर से बरामद विस्फोटक का सैंपल ले रहे थे। उसी दौरान रात के करीब 11:20 पर एक धमाका हुआ। उस हादसे में अनेक लोग हताहत हुए, उसमें से पुलिस और सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के भी कई साथी थे। हताहत लोगों को मैं श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं और शोक संतप्त परिवारों को अपनी संवेदनाएं भी व्यक्त करता हूं। विस्फोटक की सैंपलिंग की प्रक्रिया पिछले 2 दिनों से चल रही थी। आप जानते हैं कि पैन इंडिया टेरर नेटवर्क को उजागर करके जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने देश में होने वाली अनेक आतंकवादी घटनाओं को रोकने का काम किया है। नौगांव पुलिस स्टेशन की घटना मात्र एक दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण हादसा था। इसमें किसी तरह की आतंकी साजिश या बाहरी हस्तक्षेप का कोई एंगल नहीं। कानून के तहत इस तरह की घटना में मजिस्ट्रेटी जांच अनिवार्य है और जांच के आदेश दे दिए गए हैं। मैं दोबारा इस बात को स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं कि पैन इंडिया टेरर नेटवर्क को डिसमेंटल करके जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने एक बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी हासिल की है और आज इस अवसर पर मैं उनके शौर्य की भी सराहना करना चाहता हूं तथा शहीद पुलिसकर्मियों की कुर्बानी को भी नमन करना चाहता हूं।
And let's go to my colleague who's joining us. We are joined by Gursimran. Gursimran, this is a big statement coming in because we've also seen earlier that Manoj Sinha, the Lieutenant Governor, has told everyone to stand up against the terror sympathizers in Jammu and Kashmir. And now he has made one more big statement speaking to Republic TV. Yes, Gursimran.
Yes, that's very clear because see, when Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has said that there have been several attacks that have been foiled, that means he has been briefed by the top brass, that includes the police leadership of Jammu and Kashmir as well as by the central intelligence agencies as well, that this was a larger plot. Because what he said that this module has not only been busted, this pan-India terror network, but also multiple terror attacks that have to be carried out across the country, they have also been foiled. One thing is very clear that we have seen multiple terror attacks taking place because in the past also, but then Jammu and Kashmir police, after busting this module, they have busted several terror attacks that were scheduled to take place because 2900 kilogram of explosive that has been recovered from Faridabad. This was completely an investigation, a pure investigation that was carried out by the J&K police. The way they got the tip off with regards to Jaish revival, then they got into Dr. Adil, the recovery of the weapons from the Dr. Adil's locker in GMC Anantnag, and then the follow-up they have done along with the central agencies and the Haryana police. The lead that Jammu and Kashmir police generated and the way they have worked onto it, this led to the disclosure of this entire modus operandi. Though one of the blasts have taken place, but the magnitude was way less than actually what Jaish was planning. So that's why LG Manoj Sinha has hailed the armed forces, the Jammu and Kashmir police, to be very specific for this major breakthrough that they have got and may actually saved several of lives.
Getting us all those details, Gursimran. Now we're coming back to you for more. Let's move ahead, viewers. We're getting some more updates coming in.